So a bunch of tradies that met me at the pub here in Bort have decided that they want to invite me around to their place, even though I've got my perfectly good cabin here, to catch up with them. I tell you what, it's risky business. What do you think I should do? Okay. All right. I'll go. So these guys have pumped this thing up, and they want me to jump on it. Oh my God! Why did I agree to come here? Yeah.
That's a bit too much, Brian.
How was it, man?
It's a bit late.
All right, you're testing it for me.
We'll get there soon, mate. We'll get there
It needs to be a bit firmer, you reckon?
You're gonna get electric on there.
All right. Okay.
Right.
Oh my Lord. I'm a little bit worried. These guys actually want me to bounce on this thing. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Whoa! Nah.
So what do you want me to do?
We want you to jump on the pillow.
Just jump on it. Is that it?
Nah, backflips, somersaults, all that shit.
Did I mention that I'm well over 50? I've got to bounce on this thing. I've got to do what I can.
You won't do a backflip. The mirror he's done the mirror. That's your name.
I'll back at you.
Bring it to me.
Hey, Dan.
All right.
What did that for?
Now that just gets rid of everything out of my pockets.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Oh, not
That's
bad.
my nose, man.
You're looking good, Brian.
That was hard. That was brave and it was hard. Ah, damn it. I want to get this done.
Can I ring triple O now?
Yeah.
Oh! Whoa! Bit of practice. You'll be right, mate.
Get off the
Someone call the bloody police. Someone call the bloody
All right, I'm done.
He's done.
I'm done. I'm back to my lovely safe sanctuary. Those boys are a hoot. I love them. Anyway, it was great to meet you guys. You made a memorable night in Bort. Thanks, guys. Seriously, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh. All right, I'll go back to bed. So, saying goodbye to the lovely town of Bort. What a beautiful spot in the holiday park. Highly recommend it. It's just great fun. And I might be a little worse for wear. Not too bad actually. And I'm richer for the experience. I think I'll be back to Bort. And I've got to again recommend the holiday park. And the people that run it are the friendliest, loveliest people. It's fantastic. Okay, let's get underway. Get ourselves to Kerang. Uncle Grub, here I come. I decided to stop for a little break and get out of the sun for a little while. Beautiful Lake Merrin. Lovely table and chair to sit down and maybe make a cup of tea. Spend half an hour just relaxing. Be a nice spot to camp actually. But no, I've got an agenda. So I'll take a little rest here for, well, at least half an hour I think, and then I'll get back on the road to Kerang. It's only another 25 k's down the road. So yeah, I'm quite pleased that this is here for me to enjoy right now. Alright, see you soon. She's very parched landscape, dry and desperate looking scrub, that's for sure. Well, at least I have this shoulder to ride on. So it's pretty busy. Coming into Kerang, Uncle Grub's house. Here in Kerang. So it's nice catching up with Uncle Grub. I'll introduce you to him shortly. Today when I arrived we decided that it was I was pretty exhausted, so it's just a matter of relaxing, getting a shower, cooking some spaghetti bolognese for dinner. Tomorrow morning at 7 AM we're going to go for a nice walk together, and then we'll get in some drone lessons and have a tour of the town. So let's get into that. So this is Uncle Grub. He's got a drone in his hand and we're gonna have a look at how to fly it around the oval here. Hopefully the birds will stay out of our way. Okay. So what's happening? Can you explain as you go?
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
We're getting ready now to fly, and this is the way you start the engines.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Press this one for taking off.
Wow. Gee, it sits steady in the sky.
Okay. Now if you look at the controls, that one makes it go up.
Yep.
That way makes it go down.
Right.
This way makes it yaw to the left. Into the left.
Ah, yes.
This one makes it go to the left, to the right. Okay, and then we can go back again.
Wow, it's incredibly stable.
And this other stick, 4.
And off she goes.
Back. Sideways.
Oh, it's being attacked by the birds.
I don't think it is.
They were checking it out anyway. thanks, Grub. I really appreciate that. It's a lot more complex than I thought. So some invaluable experience there flying the drone. I learned a lot actually. I think I will save my pennies and see if I can get a good one. This morning Grub and I went for our walk along the levee and then back via the river, which was absolutely gorgeous. Fed some magpies on the way, spotted an eagle. Then we went for a tour of the town. Grub sort of showed me around some of the local landmarks, talked about some of the history and some of the characters. And we shared lunch at the pub. We both had stuffed mushrooms, which was excellent. And I've got 3 days of rain coming, so that really brings an end to my journey. I don't want to ride through the rain. So in the morning I'm going to put my bike on the train and we're going to ride back to Gisborne, which is only 25 or 30 k's away from my home. And yeah, that'll bring my adventure this time to a close. Not sure where I'm going to go to next. Maybe you've got some suggestions and you could leave them in the comments below here. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That helps me more than you know, and encourages me to continue on. So, alright, I'll see you in the morning when I'm getting on the train. But basically this brings the adventure to a close. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for journeying with me. I never feel alone when I'm making videos for you guys. Bye for now. The Kerang's train station at about 7 o'clock in the morning. And Uncle Grub is here to see me off, make sure I get on the train okay. Thanks for the last couple of days, Grub. Yeah, it's been fun. Well, let's just hope this old bike gets on the train all right. Well, I'm back at Uncle Grub's house. Turns out they cancelled the train and replaced it with a coach, which means I can't get my bike on there. And I'm 3 days ride away from home. The rain is just starting to come in now, and it's going to be a deluge. So it's Jenny to the rescue. Good grief. She's going to drive all the way to Kerang from Sunbury to load me up in the car with the bike, take me home. What a shame. I was all set to get on that train. Not to worry. The bike's all unpacked and I'm going with plan B. Jenny has agreed to drive the nearly 3 hours to come to Kerang to pick me up in the car. And we'll have a cup of coffee and then I'll drive her back home. So God bless my wife, Jenny. She's prepared to hit the road for 6 hours to come and rescue me. What a gal. Alright, when she gets here we'll load the car up and that'll be another ending to this video. Thanks for joining me, guys.